On 1st April 2017, Sonu Limited purchased a machinery for rupees 3,90,000, on which they spent 5,000 for carriage, 2,000 for brokerage for the middleman, and 2,500 for installation, and rupees 500 for an iron bed. All these are the expenses incurred by Sonu Limited when he purchased a machinery. Then on 1st November 2018, next year, they purchased another machinery for rupees 1 lakh and immediately spent rupees 20,000 on its overhauling. On 30th September 2019, machinery purchased in 2017 was sold at a loss of 1,27,800. अभी जो हमने प्रीवियस क्वेश्चंस किए हैं, जस्ट उसमें हमें फिगर गिवन होती थी सेल और हम कैलकुलेट करते थे प्रॉफिट और लॉस, बट हेयर लॉस इज गिवन, तो देन हेयर वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट द फिगर ऑफ सेल. And company charges depreciation at the rate of 10% per annum on return down value basis. And accounts are closed on 31st March every year. Okay. Then the first entry on April 1, 2017 will be machinery account debit to bank, and the price of machinery was 3,90,000 and total expenses were 10,000. Total you can also write to bank 4 lakh. Then the depreciation, and this machinery is used for the whole year from April 1 to 31st March. Then the depreciation will be charged for the whole year, and the rate of depreciation is 10% per annum. Then the depreciation for the whole year is 40,000, and the balancing figure 4 lakh minus 40,000, 3,60,000 is balancing figure. नाउ ये जो बैलेंसेस हैं उनको हम ब्रॉड डाउन करेंगे इन द नेक्स्ट ईयर 2018 अप्रैल 1 टू बैलेंस ब्रॉड डाउन 3,60,000, and in 2018 on November 1 he purchased another machinery one, and the total cost of that machinery is 1,20,000. 1,20,000 is the cost, and 20,000 is the expenses incurred by Sonu Limited. Now the depreciation on the first machinery will be charged at the return down value method on this balance 3,60,000 into 10%, 36,000, and the depreciation on this machinery 1,20,000. The total cost of machinery is 1,20,000, and this machinery जो है हमने इसको यूज़ किया है रेट ऑफ डेप्रिशिएशन इज 10%. एंड ये मशीनरी परचेज कब की है? ऑन नवंबर 1. तो नवंबर 1 टू जब हम अकाउंट्स क्लोज कर रहे हैं, क्लोजिंग ऑफ अकाउंट इज ऑन 31st ऑफ मार्च. नवंबर, दिसंबर, जनवरी, फरवरी एंड मार्च. डेप्रिशिएशन इज चार्ज फॉर 5 months, and depreciation for 5 months is 5,000. Then the balancing figure, balance of first machinery is 3,60,000 minus 36,000, 3,24,000, and the balance of the second machinery is 1,20,000 minus 5,000, 1,15,000. Balance brought down, the balance of the first machinery is 3,24,000 and the second machinery is 1,15,000. And in 2019 he sold the machinery on 30th September at a loss of 1,27,800. September 30th, this machinery was sold. The first machinery was sold at a loss of, and the loss is recorded on the credit side. Loss is given 1,27,800. And this machinery is used for how many months? From April to 30th September. Then the depreciation is charged from April to 30th September. April, May, June, July, August and September. 6 months depreciation will be charged on this machinery at the rate of 10% per annum. 3,24,000 into 10 upon 100 into 6 upon 12. 16,200. Now we calculate the sale figure. The balance of machinery is 3,24,000. 3,24,000 and depreciation for 6 months is 16,200 less the depreciation. And after charging depreciation, the value of machinery is 3,07,800. And here loss is given, so less loss, and the loss is 1,27,800. इसको डिडक्ट करने के बाद जो हमारे पास फिगर आएगी दैट इज द सेल प्राइस, एंड सेल प्राइस इज 1,80,000. वट आई डिड, जस्ट ये जो 3,24,000 बैलेंस है पर हमने डेप्रिसिएशन चार्ज किया फॉर 6 मंथ्स, क्योंकि इस ईयर में हमने इस मशीनरी को यूज़ किया है फॉर 6 मंथ. And after charging depreciation 3,24,000 minus 16,200, बुक वैल्यू है दैट इज 3,07,800. और इस पर जो है वो लॉस हुआ है, अगर हम इसमें से लॉस डिडक्ट करते हैं तो हमारे पास ये फिगर आएगी. अब यहाँ पे अगर आप इसको टोटल करते हो, ये तीनों फिगर्स जो है वो 3,24,000 के इक्वल होनी चाहिए. यहाँ पर 3,24,000 डेबिट है और यहाँ पर 3,24,000 क्या है? क्रेडिट है. तो ये वाली मशीनरी की वैल्यू क्या हो गई? अब नील हो गई. नाउ द सेकंड मशीनरी is 1,15,000 and it is used for whole year. So depreciation will be charged for the whole year at the rate of 10% per annum. 1,15,000 into 10 upon 100, 11,500. And the balance of this machinery is 1,15,000 minus 11,500, that is 1,03,500.